Do you ever wake up feeling stuffy? That was me every morning. But since I've been rebounding, it has helped with the stuffiness and the congestion. Join me on the trampoline today. We're going to do 7 easy to follow moves. Come on. Start with a warm-up. Just a basic bounce, pressing down on the mat. You know, when I start my videos, I always say soft knees, slightly bent, really engage that core. Pull that belly button up and in. Tighten it. Keep it tight the whole time. Relax the shoulders and breathe. Again. Just open up the chest. Breathe in, blow that air out. Now, if you can breathe through your nose and it's clear, perfect. Keep going. Now roll your shoulders. Now both of them to the back. And to the front. And relax and push down. Shake those hips. And out. And heel lifts. Left and right. And up. Whoa, don't lose your balance. Regular exercise can relieve the nasal congestion. What it does is it increases the circulation and down. By relieving the sinuses, that pressure. So next time you have a cold or sinus infection, just try. Get on the trampoline 5 to 10 minutes. It will help. Believe me, it has helped me. All right, good. Step touch. Good. That was your warm-up. All right, so we did a basic health bounce or a baby bounce, and we did step touch. Let's go to heels. To the front. Stretch the calf. Now to the side. Good. All right. That's your basic warm-up. Good. Now we're going to do an out and an in. Looks like this. Out and in. Lead with the right or the left, doesn't matter. And switch. These are grounded moves. And then we'll start lifting off in just a little bit. Switch it back to the other side. And switch. Good. Now let's go to a double out, double in with a little bounce. You can use your arms. Bounce twice and in, out and in. Pretty easy. Now if you have a stability bar or T-bar, you need extra balance, you can do that. Now let's go to singles. If you are a little bit more advanced, you can always go to the full jack, pressing down on the mat. Press. Pop the legs up. Now out and in. You're pressing down, you're rebounding. We're not jumping high. Good. After that, we're going to go to heels and toes. Heel, toe. Now, if you do a heel and a toe without bouncing, that's fine too. This is your beginner level. Okay, your advanced is with a little hop. Switch sides. You can use your arms. Good. To about 8 and switch sides. And again, just finish that side. Got to make it even. Good. Now we're going to do a double bounce to the side. Swing your arms. Now double bounce to the front and to the back. Sweep the arms. If that's too much, just step up. Step up and back. That works fine too. Switch legs. Circle those arms. Getting that circulation, getting your breathing. Get the breath. Switch again. And other side. Two and two. Let's do this. Rock. Other side. Let's rock. Little fun. Switch. Shake. Little breather. Good. All right, rest a minute. Let's go to the next one. All right. Oh, don't forget to have water. Today I have antioxidants. I have cranberry and elderberry in my water. Okay, let's go. Let's do some squats. 1. Push the hips back. Push those hips back. Go down as far as you can. Not forward, you're pushing back. Use the big leg muscles. And squeeze as you come up. Squeeze the glutes and your thighs. All right. Now, squat and hold it and pulse. Yeah, you're gonna feel it. Make sure you're engaging that core muscles. All right, up and down. Whew. Come on, you got this. If you have trouble with your knees, just do step side to side. Just do step touches and pulse. Come on, Cheryl, you can do it. Come on, are you with me? Oh, yeah, I'm feeling it. Oh, and reach up. And stretch down and reach up. And down and reach up. Good. All right, now let's do some high knees. Get those knees up. Remember, if you're not bouncing, you can do just this. Step with your knee up, one at a time. Beginner and advanced. Yeah. Clearing out those sinuses. Breathing, get the lungs going. Get the circulation in your body. All right, oh, my hair thing came out. Oh well, sometimes it happens. Good. All right, rock. Whew. Almost done. Good. I think we have one more. Yes. We're ready? Scissors. Double and double and double, double bounce. And single. Seven or 8, lost count on the steps, some basic steps. You've done all these before if you've been following me for a while. And double. And single, single, double. Single, single, double. Good. And a little sprint, low sprint. Come on. Use athletic arms. Really push. Tighten that bicep. Let's go. Come on. Good. Getting close, come on. Almost done. Keep it going. Really push it. Get the heart rate up a little bit. Come on. You got this. Burning calories. All right, let's just slow it down a little bit. Swing the arms. Then forward and back. Push that air out. Breathe, push it out. Wonderful. Bring it up. Push it out. Breathe. Push it out. Good job. Now, start all over. You can do this all over again 2 or 3 times if you want, and you will have a great workout. So thanks for joining me today, and you know what to do, right? Hit the like button, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.